Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to create typewriter effect, so type letter by letter in Davinci Resolve 18. So this is my clip, as you can see, and first thing you need to do is create your text. So go over to effects, close this media pool, and go over to here to titles, as you can see, and when you are here in titles, just go here to text plus, drag and drop it on your timeline, make it long enough so it fits your video, and then I will type here, my life is like a dance. Then you can go here and change the font, so I will change it to Courier New so it fits the typewriter vibe. So I will find it where it is. See, Courier New, as you can see, this one, it really fits, I think is great. I will a little bit smaller, make it like this, and then you have to go down here and get your playhead at the start of the clip, and this icon, click on this icon, then make this all the way to the left, so it says 0.0 right here, then move your playhead where you want typewriter effect to end, and move this all the way to the 1. So it says 0.1 here. And now, as you can see, the typewriter effect is complete. Now you can play with it and add, for example, sound effects to it and make it really stand out. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.